Hello. Just want to mention a couple things. One is the diagram assignment that was due last week and some of you worked on today. I put all those into Empower, and those that did not have anything, they didn't have anything turned in or no picture of it, you received this, an NE, okay, NE. Others who did their picture and it was good received a meets. NE is no evidence, so not done. Now this grade here will also be the final for your standard as well. So I can't put anything in there and put a meets unless that's done. So that one assignment is kind of it's the finalization of what we've been working on right now with evaporation and things like that. So this one right here. So this is up to you. This is something you need to do and get turned in. I will check it again, but grades are going to go out. So right here, it's the that one right there. Okay. All right.